What if I told you a beautiful online boutique could either make your day or take your money and disappear? Today, we're exposing Love Bloom Cambridge. We're breaking down whether Love Bloom Boutique is legit or something you should avoid in 2026. So first, this store claims to sell trendy fashion and boutique-style pieces online through their official website. Looks aesthetic, modern, but that's where things get interesting. Let's talk real customer experiences. On Trustpilot reviews page, the store has around a 4.1 star rating, but only about 10 reviews, which is already a red flag. And here's where it gets concerning. One recent one-star review says, "I canceled my order, they won't refund me. Absolute scam." That's not just a bad experience, that's a serious trust issue. Here are the biggest warning signs: very low number of reviews, easy to manipulate, complaints about no refunds or delays, excuses like system issues when customers ask for money back. And remember, legit stores usually have hundreds or thousands of consistent reviews. So, is Love Bloom Cambridge legit? Not fully proven scam, but definitely high risk. Proceed with caution. Before you buy from any online boutique, always check real reviews first, because a pretty website doesn't guarantee a real business. Subscribe for more quick scam checks and stay safe online.